As you can see from the frost on the window, this is going to be a cold start for my 95 Chevy Silverado 6.5 liter turbo diesel. Glow plugs only, no block heater. And she is idled out. Nice and smooth. As you can see, the odometer reads 337,798. That's actual odometer mileage of the truck. The engine is a GM crate motor that was replaced at around 112,000. So the actual mileage of the truck, the actual motor, is roughly 235,000 miles. That is actually not a check engine light. That's just an anti-lock brake light. No check engine lights. Oil pressure is good.